Today, we'll go over the best practices to keep your Facebook account secure in 2026, especially for US users. Facebook accounts are prime targets for hackers, scams, and identity theft, so following these steps is essential. First, always use a strong, unique password. Avoid using the same password across multiple sites. Include uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Change your password regularly to stay ahead of potential threats. Next, enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a verification code from your phone or authenticator app every time someone tries to log in from a new device. It's one of the easiest ways to prevent unauthorized access. Regularly check where you're logged in under Security and Login. Log out from any device you don't recognize. This helps ensure no one is secretly using your account. Be cautious with apps and websites connected to your Facebook account. Remove any apps or integrations you don't use or don't recognize. Third-party apps can sometimes retain hidden access, putting your data at risk. Keep your email account secure. Many attacks start by compromising your email. Use a strong password and two-factor authentication there as well. Finally, stay alert for phishing messages, suspicious links, and friend requests from unknown accounts. Never share your password or verification codes. Regularly review your security settings and privacy options to maintain full control. By following these practices, you can significantly reduce the risk of hacks and keep your Facebook account safe in 2026.